Hello everyone, you're watching Do It Yourself with Christy. My channel is all about helping you do simple things around the house, from cleaning to the lawn to cooking, whatever it is. If you'll please take a moment to like my channel and subscribe if you want to, it's free. So every day I'll be posting new videos on different things around the house. So let's get started and make a mess, alright? So today we're going to do pineapple upside down cupcakes, and they're a must-have. So I got the box of, I got pineapple flavored Pillsbury cake mix, which is fine, but there's a trick to it. You ever make these box cakes and they come out really dry? Not these ones. Alright, you take a cup of oil, half cup of oil, a cup of milk instead of water, and eggs. It calls for 3 eggs. Now you're going to use 3 more eggs, but you're not going to use the whole egg. What you do is you split it or put it open and just take the egg yolk out. And all you do is break it in half, and you just take the egg white out like that, put the yolk in. So 2 more. People are going to swear you went to a bakery and got this. Check your cholesterol first, though. Alright. Rinse my hands off okay. And mix. You really don't need to get out a mixer or anything. I mean, a whisk will do it. And it's less mess. No downside. Now I'm using the pineapple flavored cake mix because I really love pineapple. And what I'm going to do is, I got some crushed pineapple here. I'm not going to add a lot because it does retain water. But I'm going to add just about that much. Like a heaping tablespoon. Mix it on in there. Man, I love the fall. The weather is going to stay in the 60s, hopefully, for a while. Instead of going from 90 to the 40s overnight. Alright. Spoon. Make sure I got it all. Okay, set these aside. Now, over here, my hands were slippery. I got my brown sugar. Wait a minute. Over here I got my brown sugar. And I already greased, floured, and put a pat of butter in each cupcake circle. So now, what I'm about to do is